Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have admin rights or explicit owner consent. Without that, stop. Next, identify exactly what to block: a user, a group, a device, an app, or a shared link. Once identified, make a backup, export selected files via Google Takeout or Drive Export so nothing is lost. Now open the Google Admin Console or the user's Drive settings and prepare to change sharing and access controls. This first step prevents accidental data loss and preserves legal compliance. Once done with backups, go to the Admin Console and enforce drive-level policies, restrict external sharing, or set sharing to domain only. Then drill into affected files and folders, revoke link-based access, change ownership to an admin account if needed, and update ACLs so collaborators lose access. Make sure to check and remove third-party app permissions in Security Right Arrow API controls, since apps can re-grant access. These steps stop active sharing channels and prevent apps from silently syncing. Finish by auditing Drive logs to confirm access revocations and note timestamps. This proves the change. Communicate clearly to affected users, explain recovery procedures, and provide the backup files or a restore plan. If something fails, recheck ownership transfers, rescan API scopes and OAuth grants, and clear cached credentials on devices. Sometimes cached tokens still allow access. If access persists, temporarily suspend the account or disable Drive service in the Admin Console while you resolve lingering permissions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.